Hands down. Hands down.
There you go. There.
Give her a little bit more push, Allie. Hands down, Carolyn. Just move your butt. Up, down, up, down. Put your hands down. Allison, quit moving. Well, you'll be sorry when you run over me with the horse again.
There you go.
Hands down, Carolyn. Okay, sit and walk. Good. Keep walking. Stop. Shorten your reins and back in 4 steps. Cluck, cluck, and squeeze your feet and pull back. Cluck. And stop. Good girl. Pat him. Give him a good pet.